Presenting the 2014 Ford Focus. It's powered by front-wheel drive, a 2-liter, 4-cylinder engine, and a 6-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. The features include an alarm system, independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, stability control, anti-lock brakes. On the inside, you'll find Bluetooth connectivity, an auxiliary input, steering wheel controls, curtain head airbags, front airbags, side impact door beams, child safety locks, cruise control, a trip computer. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.
These guys have bent over backwards to take care of me, and as a repeat customer, it's been amazing. I've had nothing but a great experience with dealing with Thoroughbred, and I recommend every one of my friends to come up here and buy a car from them.